Prophet's father's name?
Abdullah.
What's the Prophet's mother's name?
Again.
What's the Prophet's mother's name?
Amina.
What's the name of the first caliph of the Muslims?
Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu.
Okay. How old was he when he passed away?
63 years.
Okay. What is it called from Mecca to Medina? What is his first wife's name?
Khadija radiyallahu anhu.
Very good. What was the name of the cave that he was transferred inspiration?
Say it again. What?
What was the name of the cave that he was transferred inspiration?